I am Dr. Arun Tayal, MS General Surgery from PGI Chandigarh. I have worked in the Government Multi-Specialty Hospital Sector 16 Chandigarh, formerly known as General Hospital, from 1988 to till my retirement in 2011 as head of the department of the same hospital. After that, I worked in two other hospitals in the Tri-City, which were multi-specialty hospital. But at present, I am working as senior surgery consultant at Mayo Hospital, Sector 69, Mohali. Today, I'll be telling you about a common disease, piles, or in medical term, which is known as hemorrhoids. In a human being, there are three rectal veins, one on the left side and two on the right side. And if we see it on the clock, they are placed at 3, 7, and 11 o'clock positions. Piles develop in these rectal veins, and the cause for pile development is incompetence in these walls, in the walls present in these veins. The walls' function is not to let the blood which is flowing from these veins to the heart to fall down and keep it going up. Because of this incompetence, the blood doesn't flow up and keeps falling down, thereby causing pooling of the blood in these rectal veins, which causes piles and causes the protrusion of these veins into the rectum, which are called piles. These piles have grades according to their size. So they are graded from 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Grade 1 piles are the piles which are just started. And grade 2 are the piles which are bigger in size, but they don't come out of the anal canal or anal opening. They remain within the rectum. Grade 3 are the piles which come out of the anal opening, but they retract by themselves, or they go back into the rectal canal by themselves. And the grade 4 are the piles which are very big in size and they remain outside the anal opening until and unless they are put back into the rectal canal manually. The cause for piles, there is no definite cause for piles known as yet. Only some contributing factors are known, which are the standing position of the human body. Secondly, the increased abdominal pressure because of people suffering from chronic constipation. Prostatic enlargement in males. Pregnancy in females. The sign and symptoms on piles, the piles are never painful. Only you see pain in grade 4 degree piles. The piles are, patient comes to know about piles only because there is fresh bleeding from the rectum or the anal canal during defecation, during passing stools, and after that only. And this blood flow is in drops. It is in good quantities and huge quantity. Otherwise, patient does not have any other complaints. Because of this blood loss, the patients go into anemia, and because of anemia, which had number of effects on the body, the patients suffer from those problems. If we look at towards the treatment of piles, there is no medical treatment of piles. Only medical treatment gives you a temporary relief from piles, and for that calcium dorbicillate tablets are available, which decreases the congestion in the varicose veins or piles, decreasing the blood loss. But as soon as you stop the medication, the piles reappear and bleeding starts. So the permanent and definite treatment of piles is surgery. There are number of methods available for the surgery or for definitive treatment of piles. In grade 1 and grade 2, we can do injection therapy in which 5% phenol in almond oil is injected in the neck of the pile, causing fibrosis of the neck, making the bulk of the pile to fall. But this treatment is not very frequently now used by the medical fraternity. For grade 2 piles, there is a treatment called band ligation. You put a tight band at the neck of the pile, which again causes fibrosis of the neck of the piles, and the bulk of the pile falls down and piles is healed. For 2, 3 and 4, surgical treatment is available, which is, one is a traditional treatment in which the pile is tied at its neck and cutting the rest of the bulk of the pile. In this treatment, it is cost effective. The patient has to incur in this case, but the healing process takes a longer time. The patient has pain after the surgery, and it takes about 15 to 20 days for the patient to be perfectly fine. Second treatment available is stapler treatment, which is known as stapler hemorrhoidopexy, in which a stapler gun is used, which is a one-time use gun with which the piles are stapled and the pile mass is removed. In this case, there is no pain post-operative surgery, and the patient is mobile and able to do his complete routine work from the very next day. This surgery costs much higher than the traditional surgery, as the stapler gun costs 18 to 20,000. The third available treatment is a laser treatment, in which with the laser rays, fibrosis is done at the pile's neck and the pile mass drops. This treatment is also a good treatment in which the person gets back to his routine very fast.